Hello and welcome to the channel, YouTube world. This is not a unboxing, but an unboxed, because it's already been unboxed. It's the ON 4-port USB 2.0 hub, and we are here to find out today if it actually turns on your device. Huh? You see that? And that's why I'm not a comedian. So right away, we take a look at it. It's got a gloss finish, and you might be wondering, well, where's the fourth port? It's on the side there. And it's got a little cable thingy. It pulls out like so. You like that? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is plug it in, and I'll be right back in a moment and let you know if it works. I am back, and I am proud to report that the ON USB hub in fact turns on all my devices. So I've maxed it out, all 4 ports. I've got a Razer mouse, a Razer keyboard. I have my iRig, which is a peripheral that allows me to play my guitar through my computer, and I have my Xbox One controller plugged in, all at the same time, in a self-powered hub for $10 Canadian from Walmart, and it works. Now, am I going to update the video in a week and see that it melted? Probably not. It seems to be working fine. Where it usually won't work, and a lot of people complain about these cheap hubs, is when you're trying to power your tablet. Sometimes that doesn't seem to work. Well, that's because, hub or not, I've never had a computer that powers my iPad. I had a $2,000 computer at the time, and I couldn't even get it to power my iPad. So keep that in mind. But if you're using your standard things, a mouse, a keyboard, a controller, maybe you play the guitar through a computer, that's probably not quite a common thing, but you're able to do it all at the same time, and my lights aren't flickering. It works. Anyhow, that's it for this video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. Now make sure when you plug in your device, not only does it not work, it turns off everything. Turns off your computer, your screen, everything. It's a complete shutdown. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And if not, I'll make sure that this thing does a complete blackout to your whole neighborhood. Don't ask what that was. I'm on 4.5 hours of sleep. Take care, boys and girls, or whatever it is you identify as, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye now.